I'm surprised. The choices aren't good.
There you are, top avocado. So I think it's ready. Pouring rain, so much rain. Okay, so good morning. So in today's video, I am going to make a sandwich with potatoes and egg. So first thing you do is peel the potatoes and then chop into flat. This one, salt.
Oh.
We have bread, pepper, cheese, milk cheese, salt, and then we chop already the potatoes into flat. And we have eggs, then butter. Next step, so now I'm going to spread this butter in the pan. So that's it. We are going to put all the potatoes. So I chop the potatoes really thin so that it cooks fast. So this is the potatoes with butter under. So we're going to put in the pan in low heat. Put a little bit of salt. Cover. So while this one's cooking, we are going to prepare the other ingredients. Then we're going to prepare the eggs. 3 eggs, 4 potatoes, salt, pepper, go through. You'll know if that's cooked. It's because when you chop a little bit, it's already soft. So I think it's ready. When you try to chop it, it's already soft. Yep. So next, we're going to spread the egg. Wow. So that's the egg. It's cooking. So we're going to remove it because it's already done. And then let's do the other part. 5 small eggs. Might be young at heart. Paano yan? Buwak siya, hindi siya bako. Salt. Butter. This is toasted bread. No, huy, Samantha, what are you doing? Give me that hand. Bula ng pagtubig mo. After drink, on the table. ba? No play, ha, Sam? So I have here chopped avocado and mango. Di ba klaro kung totin na? Pati. Mama first. Mama. Yeah. Nag-aagtod ka nito na. Gusto ko yung sudan dito. Very good. It's raining. It's been a few months since the last time and now it's raining right now. Wow, it's so pouring rain, so much rain. Oh, this is my old laptop. I'm trying to view my videos while here trying to edit videos. After all my videos, I'm going to view my friends' videos too.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down.
So we finished doing this.
Nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eyes, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like you. There ain't nobody.
So there you are.
So
Hotdog
lucky to
with
be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles.
So my sister is cooking some dinner while there's no power. So we have here corned beef with rice and mushroom. It's done. So now now I'm going to make a breakfast. So we have here, I chopped onions, garlic, tomato, onions, and this is the bread that's soon to be expired, so I'm going to cook it. This is also bread. Eggs. This is about 3 eggs. Then we have milk, mushroom. So this dish is like, these ingredients, I mean, I just make it, like combine the ingredients and my own recipe. I like this kind of dish. Drain the water and you will chop it. So we're going to put garlic. I just put the butter to taste it good, but now we're going to add olive, cook the mushroom, onions, is mushroom. So just cook the mushroom. So these are the breads. I'm going to mix the breads. This is my own ingredients actually. I don't know if this looks yum. So my camera is very low. So I'm going to continue the vlog in my phone. So we're going to cook.
Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
So cook and let it dry.
I'm surprised. It turns out good. Especially with the mushroom.
Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen the sky so blue.
Stop buttering it. No.
So I think I call this dish like scrambled sandwich. Yeah, right? Looks like scrambled, but it's a sandwich and egg. So scrambled sandwich. So this is their job every day. Going to get some egg. Ah, okay. So that's the egg. Only one? Oh, why? It's so funny. Ah, no egg there, no egg. Why? Ito nga biscuit. So today, I'm going to Tubod, going for grocery. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you will see more videos of me traveling around Philippines, other countries. Also, if you wanna see more videos of Mindanao, my home life that you'll never see in the other channel.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.